In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider repeater in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can add dynamic content that stands out. Let's jump into it. First, open your Wix Studio editor. Once you're in, try to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice on the left-hand side, there's a panel that includes a variety of options to customize your page. This toolbar is your gateway to adding different elements to your site. Now, we want to focus on adding a repeater, which is essential for creating a sleek and dynamic slider. Ready to dive in? Start by clicking on the Add button, conveniently located on that left sidebar. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains many options, but we are going to direct our attention to the one labeled Layout Tools. Within this category, you will find Repeaters. Selecting this option reveals several styles of repeaters that Wix provides. You might be wondering what repeaters are. Simply put, they're a tool that allows you to display multiple items in a visually cohesive and organized manner. This is perfect for creating sliders that can showcase portfolio pieces, testimonials, or even blog posts in a compact form. Now that you've located the Repeaters option, go ahead and drag one onto your page. This action is as simple as it sounds. Use your mouse to click and hold the repeater style you've chosen and then drag it onto your canvas where you envision it fitting best. Once you drop it, you'll see the repeater block placed neatly onto your page, ready for you to start customizing. You may want to consider the design that best fits your website's aesthetic and functionality. Wix offers different layouts, so take a moment to explore these before you make your selection. Remember, the repeater you choose sets the tone for the sections of dynamic content your visitors will engage with. This customization step is crucial because it allows you to fiddle with the layouts until you find one that complements the theme of your website while maintaining a professional look. The beauty of Wix is that these tools are intuitive, so you're free to let creativity lead your choices without worries about a steep learning curve. By following these steps, you've successfully added a repeater to your Wix site, paving the way to create the slider you envisioned. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into styling and animating your repeater for maximum impact. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.